Welcome to the fortress, history's alive. With Mr. M and D3, we time travel and thrive. We teach the past, guide the future, of course, all while using the force. This is the fortress of knowledge.
Welcome back to Mr. M's Fortress of Knowledge, where we teach the past, guide the future,
and use the force of science. Today's episode is called
Wait, Science Has Branches?
And What's a Hypo-thee-sis?
I'm your host, Mr. M, and with me as always is my robot co-pilot, who once tried to run an experiment on pizza toppings. D3 Clin.
And proved scientifically that pineapple does belong on pizza.
We're not starting that debate again.
Today's mission, science, and not just science, but how scientists do what they do, and how we break all of science down into pieces without it exploding in our faces.
So let's begin with the big picture. D3, hit us with the basics. How is science organized?
Oh, it's beautifully organized, like my bolt collection. Science has three main branches: physical science, life science, and earth and space science.
Kind of like the Avengers, but for facts.
Let's break it down. Physical science is all about matter and energy. Think gravity, electricity, atoms, basically what makes stuff go. Life science, also known as biology, is all about living things. Plants, animals, cells, bacteria, even you, organic meat being. Earth and space science studies our planet and beyond. Rocks, weather, oceans, outer space.
So if I build a rocket to send my cat to the moon,
Please don't.
I'd be using physical science to launch it, earth and space science to navigate the galaxy, and life science to make sure Fluffy survives the trip.
Correct. Poor Fluffy.
So, what is a scientific investigation, you ask? Now, let's say you have a question. Why do my socks disappear in the dryer? That's where scientific investigations come in.
Also known as the scientific method. Not as flashy as a lightsaber, but way more useful.
Let's walk through the steps. Step 1. Ask a question.
Can plants grow in the dark? Which paper towel absorbs more water? The key is, can you test it?
Step 2. Background research.
Google it. Read. Ask someone smart. Not your cousin who thinks soda cures headaches.
Step 3. Hypothesis.
Your educated guess. Written like, if I water plants with soda, then they'll grow taller.
Spoiler, they probably won't. Step 4. Experiment time.
Gather materials, follow steps, test one variable, change one thing, measure another, and keep the rest the same.
Step 5. Record and analyze data.
Use charts, graphs, doodles. Just don't lose your notebook to your dog.
Step 6. Draw a conclusion.
Did your hypothesis hold up? Did your plant explode? Either way, you learned something.
Bonus. Share results. Show off what you learned. Slideshows, posters, puppet shows. Okay, maybe not puppets, unless it's really good.
Here's a major mix-up students make. They think theories become laws if they're proven.
That's like saying a donut becomes a bagel if you leave it out too long.
Exactly. Let's set the record straight. A scientific law tells us what happens. Like gravity, objects fall. A scientific theory explains why it happens, like the theory of general relativity.
So, law equals what happens. Theory equals why it happens. And both are backed by tons of evidence.
Neither is a wild guess. That's called a wild guess.
Look, science isn't just for astronauts and mad scientists with lightning bolts in their hair.
Science is everywhere, from how your phone charges to how your body fights a cold to why you shouldn't microwave aluminum foil.
Learning this stuff helps you ask smarter questions, think like a problem solver, and understand how the world works, even if it's just figuring out why your dog barks at the vacuum. Time for Mr. M's Recap Remix. It's for the too long, didn't read crowd. Science equals 3 epic squads: physical, life, and earth, and space. Investigations equals the scientific method. Ask, guess, test, record, learn, share. Law versus theory equals what happens versus why it happens. Both are backed by evidence. Don't confuse them. And you? You're already doing science when you ask questions, test stuff, and explore the world around you.
Plus, you now know more science than half the robots on the internet. Be proud. So, what's cooking next time in the Fortress of Knowledge, Mr. M?
Oh, just one of the biggest science glow-ups of all time. We're heading back to the 1800s to meet a brilliant bearded brainiac, Dmitri Mendeleev.
Ooh, that's the periodic table guy, right?
Bingo! He didn't just organize the elements, he predicted ones that hadn't even been discovered yet, like a science fortune teller.
So next episode, we're talking atoms, elements, and the wild story of how a Russian scientist turned chaos into chemistry.
Don't miss it. It's going to be explosive in a safe, controlled, scientific kind of way. Thanks again for joining us on Mr. M's Fortress of Knowledge, where we teach the past, guide the future.
And use the force of curiosity. See you next time.
This is the Fortress of Knowledge.